So, dito tinaruan. So, wait ko lang. Pero ulitin ko.
Good.
Bale, ang ginagamit ko na dito Noel, not Claude, parang local LLM na mismo. So,
Okay.
yung
Using
data,
Kimi or
using Olama. Tapos, nag-implement
Olama?
ako Olama. Tapos, nag-implement ako ng, what do you call this? Quen. Basically, Quen siya, yung parang ChatGPT style siya, pero integrated only in your computer, not into the internet.
Okay.
So, start ako ulit. For example, ito yung DOU, then paste.
Try and speak in English so Drake can understand it.
Uh,
Then
Drake is already here. Not
no,
yet.
no.
Okay.
Uh, okay. I'll record it then, or you want to record it? I'll
Okay,
record
sure.
it
So,
so you can see it.
so I uploaded the DOU in the intake agent, and then actually it's reading right now. And then it will show all the details, like it summarize it.
Okay.
Then click review, and then yeah, this is already the overview, sub summary, and then documents, the snip that we done earlier, and then the actual source data on what's on the document, and then you can also see the objects that we're going to use if
Okay.
we're going to make it as a like a 3D view. This one, Tito Noel,
Okay.
I'm not finished yet, but I'll visualize the object that we're going to use, like the little bit action. This one,
That's a pump. That's a pump.
yeah,
You know when you say horsepower,
mm
it's a pump, right?
yep. Then
Yeah.
tank, and then PD meter.
Okay.
Then this one, yeah. So once everything done, then click confirm all and proceed to the location.
Okay.
Then it's still loading. Actually, it's routed to the in the Creobert area. In order to go in
Sorry.
there, it's routed in Creobert area, but not in the terminal yet. So
Okay.
then click yes, this is the site.
Okay.
Then great, confirm na search finish. Then click this, and it will route in the flip option.
Okay.
Then search Creobert terminal.
Okay.
Then assuming that this is the starting point.
Right. Can you
Then
locate that? Can you relocate that pin?
yes, dito naman.
Can
Exactly. Wait.
Can you
There's
move it using your mouse or
yeah, you can use it your mouse like this one. You can pin it anywhere.
okay? How
So
are you moving it? Are you just moving it with your mouse?
yes, dito naman. So for example, you mess up pointing it here, and
Yeah.
you wanted to change it. Just
Yeah.
repick start.
Repick. Okay.
Then also identify where is the finish or the endpoint. So for example, you wanted the endpoint will be right here.
Go further up.
Wait,
Go left some more.
where where Twitter one?
Left, more left. Zoom out muna konti. Zoom out.
Then
More left. More left. As far left as you can. Okay. Okay, so it recalculates the thing. Okay.
Mm. Then of course you're going to name the project that you're doing.
Yeah.
So for example, Bird project. Then
Okay.
next, like it's scanning all the like square area of the
Yes.
each location. And
How big is the
then
square? How big is the square area?
that's something that I'm going to add Tito Noel on how big is it.
Okay.
It's not right
Okay.
here yet.
Okay.
So for example, this is already the like the square area. Then you
Okay.
can click the flip to show to see the information of this square area, like the road, terrain
Okay.
elevation,
Okay.
um, waterways, trees, soil type, corridor, existing pipeline, and then
Okay.
the buildings.
Okay.
Maybe later I will add it where when you click the road, it will show the like a text explanation here. Actually,
Okay.
this is the summary.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
once everything okay here, you
Well,
can click. Mm.
yeah, the roads sometimes have a two-lane road or sometimes highway, like a six-lane road. So it doesn't differentiate that.
Let's see, Tito Noel, we can add that.
Okay.
Much better naman, Tito Noel, na this meeting will recorded. So everything that you've been said, I'll try to implement it here.
Right.
Mm.
So are the roads? Can you see it on the map? The roads?
Yes, Tito Noel. This blue one is exactly the road.
Okay.
Mm.
119. So I don't know if I could count 119 roads right now. It if you draw a line from right to start to finish, it's gonna cross the blue line. Uh, the way I look at it, it's less than 30 right now. It says 119 roads.
I think it's 119 roads because of your maybe this one, Tito Noel. So each length, I guess, it counts as a road, but
Okay.
I can change it.
Okay. I
Mm.
see. Oh, I see. Uh, well, okay. I understand it's 119 roads for everything, but the pipeline routing is not there yet. So
Um,
you
pi
could only
pipeline
you
routing
could
is right
only
there.
oh, so the new pipeline route, where's our new pipeline route?
Um, pipeline route. This one, Tito Noel, is existing pipeline route.
Yeah, yeah, I know. So which one
Mm.
is our pipeline route?
Alliance pipeline. This one, existing pipeline and bridge carry oil
Oh,
snakehead pipeline.
okay. What about our new project pipeline, the one we're building,
That's something
estimating?
that we're not there yet, Tito Noel.
Okay,
So
because I want to
basically,
see. Yeah, I want to see the pipeline route with all
basically,
its.
Tito Noel, we're in the MapScan agent. So, the like the procedure here is every information that capture within the square area.
Okay.
So we're not doing routing
Oh yeah.
yeah
Okay.
for our routing yet. So
Okay, I see.
once we are okay here, then we proceed again, and
Okay.
then yeah. So this is the one that you asking Tito Noel. So
Yeah.
this is already the sample routing generated by AI. So this is the
Okay.
lowest cost, as he said.
Okay. Well, just an observation, Norwin. You see that from the start it goes left and down and then up and down again.
Mm-hmm.
I haven't seen routing like that. Usually they go in straight lines instead of up and down, unless they're really avoiding something, you know?
Yeah, basically, there's an information here, Tito Noel. You can read first.
Okay,
So,
all right. I'll let you continue and then I'm just giving
so,
you,
mm,
I'm just letting you know I've never seen a pipeline routing like that. A real one, real project. Usually they try to make it as straight as possible, or if they're gonna be bends, minimize the bends.
okay.
Well, if the operator have the ability to move the pipeline route around, then it's okay. I know this is just uh, the system generated as the least possible, you know, least possible cost, right?
Mm-hmm.
Is that the criteria is to least possible cost, lowest cost?
Actually, lowest cost based on all the agent cap, for example, location, map, map scan agent. So he based actually right here, and then he come up this kind of a routing. So, I'll try to make an rule, Tito Noel, based on your explanation earlier. It should be like, it's possible it going to be straight.
Yeah, and remember I told you as well in the past that usually it follows existing pipeline route or railroad lines or transmission lines, right?
Wait, Tito Noel. Let's see here. So basically, this is the existing pipeline, Tito Noel. So I'm going to off
Yes,
this.
yes.
So what will happen will be what?
Well, it should follow as much as possible, it will follow the existing pipeline routing.
So assuming, Tito Noel, this is the existing pipeline routing of the N bridge.
Yeah.
So
Can I take can I take control, request control? Okay. So so this is the starting point, right? Can you
mhm.
zoom out a little bit? And the orange is zoom out, not in more. Okay. Uh, zoom out some more. Okay. Okay. Let me move it. Zoom a little more. Zoom out. Oh, we're here, right? Okay. Sorry.
Mm.
I just want to center it. So based on this, uh, I'm not sure what this area is. It could be a city or something. I think remember that's where most of the roads are.
Mm. Yes, Tito Noel.
Okay, so I will avoid that. Uh, I'll probably try and follow this route instead of going through the city. Uh, I would go see this existing grids.
Mm.
Sometimes there's one owner for this piece of land and maybe another owner here, or maybe one owner owning all that piece of land. Same thing with here, you know. So you want to deal with the landowners that are pro pipeline versus people who doesn't want pipeline.
Mm-hmm.
Depends on their uh, past history. If there's been a pipeline route went that way. If there's a pipeline, or uh, sometimes you might have to do a research on the person who owns the land. Okay, but anyway, I will try. So this is the existing pipeline. Is there any existing railroad or transmission lines?
We're currently right now, Tito, we're building for the oil and gas pipeline. The transmission line, it's not included in the equation yet for this platform.
Okay. Yeah, the reason why I'm asked is that maybe the existing transmission line is a better route. But I will probably go, as if I can, okay? I will go like this, make it simple. I will go that way. That's the pipeline route for this. Because to me, this is a road, right? If you zoom in, that's a road. So I will run it parallel to the road and then go up and then somehow come back that way.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm just showing you. I know this is the existing, and it's that's. But as you can see, the existing goes through a city or residential. So I'll try and avoid that. And here, these are just farmland, and it doesn't. Less likelihood that you will have protesters. If you route your pipeline here, there would be protesters from some of the homeowners, right?
Mm.
So I know we're letting AI. I know that what I told you, that try and follow the existing pipeline. Sometimes there's exception to the rules, right?
Yes, Tito
So
Noel. So for example, this one, Tito Noel, since it's already been existing pipeline, so are you considering routing here for your new project?
if I see problems, can you zoom in? What are those again? Let's zoom in a little bit.
This year, good, orange one, Tito Noel, is the existing pipeline by the end bridge
Yeah.
actually.
Okay. What is that pipeline? Is Enbridge pipeline, Lake and pipeline, and what? Can you zoom into this area? What is that area? Uh, I couldn't tell. Looks like, is it a field, or it's not houses, right? Zoom out.
Houses is
Doesn't
houses is
the
right
house
here.
is right here. Okay, so big I based on this, I will run it along here as well. I'll follow this route. Uh, it's existing Enbridge pipeline, so we're
Mm-hmm.
working for Enbridge. Then I would follow that same routing, and then I will go follow that routing and then go this way and
Okay,
then go down. Uh, I might go from here, maybe from here, I might go follow the road and continue like this.
okay.
Okay. Okay. Zoom out. Uh, okay. So assuming, can we measure the distance? Do you have a measuring tool here?
Honestly, no, not yet, Tito Noel.
So you don't know the number of squares, right? You don't know
Actually,
the
actually, there's a measurement for this, Tito Noel, but I forgot what is it. So I'll
okay.
going to.
Oh yeah,
Mm,
yeah. So I think this is I I I, I think at one time I know roughly what size this is. how many square feet? It could be a one section 600. It 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 could be a quarter section. Uh, 160, it could be 168 acres. So anyway, uh, that's how I can estimate it if I know the reason why what I was going to point out. If this endpoint is over here, then and there's no existing pipeline, I'll just follow uh, as much as possible as a straight line parallel because there's no existing pipelines. I will follow probably uh, along the road. That's how I would try and route the pipeline.
Mm,
Okay. All right. Anyway, continue. I think we can uh, we can uh, do some more revisions later. At
mm.
least you're just doing the concept right now, what it can do
Yeah,
and how it's done.
yeah. So for example, Tito Noel, you I actually you saw the video I think yes last day when I showed to you guys the animated routing. So it will be right here, Tito Noel. So but right now I'm not going to click it because when I get back it will be routed back to home.
Okay, I see. All
Mm.
right.
So for example, you okay with the option,
Okay.
then we can proceed with the right.
Morning,
I think
Dre.
there it is right there.
Good morning. Shalom, shalom.
Morning,
Shalom, shalom.
morning, Nick.
Good morning, my brother. God bless you. God bless you, brothers.
God bless you too, Dre.
God
Thank
bless you
you,
too.
sir.
Yeah, so for now, Tito Noel, for the assist agent, I'm still going to integrate all the models on this one. So I will be configure next year, and also I will do the revision that you talked about earlier. So
Okay.
that's the update for now. For the benchmarking also, um I've been doing this like for example all the option of the new project that you've been done right there in the agents. It will show it right here, and then you can check here. For example, I got the data from the internet or from the other information that you sent to me. It will be showing right here, and then you can deploy the like you can check the material cost, um, labor cost, and other costs, so you can do comparison. So
Okay.
I'm not
What
there yet.
is yeah? What is this area? What is this?
For this one, Tito Noel. So for example,
The pipe replacement.
wait.
So,
Um, so for example, you got the output that you've been done here regarding for the routing, and you will be routed here. You can put here your project, and also in the actually it's panel B. In the panel B, you can also put the what do you call this? Your existing project before. Like you
okay.
can
So
make,
this is for benchmarking, right? Okay.
yes, this is for benchmarking.
I see.
So I'm not done here yet, Tito naman. So I'll proceed with this once I already got the flow for this one.
Okay. So is uh so you were able to do the routing automatically, and it can be modified by the estimator, the routing
Mm.
or the project manager. And so can two people work on this at the same time? So this is a platform, right?
Two people at the same time.
Like
Um,
I might have it open and then can Drake change it?
Actually, yes, Tito Noel, like, but the what do you call it, the work that Drake's doing and the work that you're doing is different. Are you telling, what you're meaning, Tito Noel, is like connected as one?
Yeah. So basically, this only resides on your computer then,
For now,
using the.
Tito Noel, yes, for now.
So can you have all this information in a like a server where five different people can access it?
Yes, Tito Noel, but for now, I'm not doing it yet, but it's possible.
Okay, because those are the things that are important.
Mm,
The tracking, who made the changes, and the time and the date and the name of the person who made the change. If it's on one server and you have 10 people working on the same project.
mm. Okay, I got it, Tito Noel. Sure, Tito Noel, I'll give you some information regarding to that once everything's um working and finished.
Okay, so what else is left to do here?
Left to do here is for the benchmarking and also the revision, and then for the asset visualization. So, actually, there's a lot, but I'm already in the right direction, Tito Noel. So it just needed to fix and modify some things needed to make it
Okay,
work.
can you go back to that pipeline routing that the AI chose for us? I just want to see zoom in on it.
Wait.
Oh, he doesn't save it. All the
Because
work that he does.
I reloaded it, Tito Noel.
Uh,
Wait.
so this is only one pipeline. I think there's about 4 or 5 different pipelines, right?
Sorry, Tito Noel, was it? Wait. Mm-hmm. Wait, I'm going to reload it.
Okay, hold on. Go back to the spreadsheet. See this? We have 4 pipelines according to this, right?
Mm-hmm.
So you have to do the 4 start and 4 finish. Those are 4 separate pipelines.
Okay.
You only you only showed me one. Actually, this see this? It says this is a 12-inch pipeline and this is a 4-inch pipeline. So there it says right here, uh, same ditch. So you do the digging and then you install the pipe, 2 pipes side by side, maybe 3 feet apart, or
But
maybe 5 feet.
the routing, Tito Noel, is same.
Well, it could be, but on this particular case, I think it is. Except maybe towards the end, one goes gonna go left, one goes to the right, or something like that.
Okay.
So towards the end, but generally on the that's why it's only 56 kilometers, but it could be one. This could be 55 and a half. This could be 57 and a half kilometers, or maybe 56 and 56.2 kilometers. These are just approximate right now. So anyway, so basically we have four pipelines. Are we gonna have four pipeline route showing?
Let's see, Tito Noel, it's possible right now in our current setup. No, it's not yet, Tito Noel. I'll do make some changes here, like it can do like multiple starting point.
Right. Maybe go all the way to uh I don't know, maybe 10 might be too much. Maybe six separate pipelines.
Hmm.
Okay. Okay, so let's finish this, and then I just want to zoom in on the routing that the AI chose for us.
Okay, I'll do the same method that I mean the same point that you done earlier. Why
Sure.
cannot click? Oh, wait, I do. This one, Tito Noel.
Okay, can you zoom in? I want to see how detailed can you zoom in. Go on. Let me see here. Like, just gonna go see. I know this is so. Like here, looks like it could be some water here, right?
Mm-hmm.
So I'm gonna try and reroute my path, make it short and instead of going through here, I will go here. I think it looks like this is a road. I might go from there. Oh, well, there might be some problems here as well. So I might go here, then here. So again, if that can be done live, then it's okay to for AI to generate this, and then so this particular route will have a price. I know it says lowest cost, right?
Mm,
And then if I move that pipeline instead of going like this, I go like this. How much more it's going to be? Or it revised the estimate, right?
mm.
Will it?
For now, Tito Noel, this is for the routing for now. I think
Okay.
we can do that once we already finish it on the routing stage, like maybe here in the estimating agent.
Okay. I see. How much? How much work can we do the estimating agent? I want to see the estimate of this.
For not, I'm not on that stage yet, Tito Noel. So, for now, I'm in the routing, and then we'll proceed to
Okay.
the asset agent.
Okay. So you, you okay the routing, and then the next one would be the estimate, and then the benchmarking later.
Mm.
Okay. How
Then once,
much?
mm-mm. Okay,
Yeah,
Tito Noel.
I'm just trying to find out approximately when can we finish this. So we still have a lot of work to do, and is it gonna take another? month, or
No,
is it
this one is for like 1 to 2 weeks. But every time we make changes, the timer will be, adding like a couple of days.
okay? So are you okay now? Like I said, let's let it work, and then we can do a, I don't know what you call it, beta or a demo, and then
Mhm.
any changes we make, that's gonna add another 2 or 3 days or whatever the case may be. But in the meantime, we have a working model. So the routing is complete. I mean, to a certain point, right? It's
Mhm.
working now.
Yeah, the
So
routing is
let's,
working now, but I just
okay.
going to make changes based on comment right now, Tito Noel.
What comments are those?
Regarding for the existing pipeline that you mentioned earlier, it's possible that we can use it instead and avoid the what do you call this? The the towns,
Right,
yeah, and
right.
also
So
the other things, yeah.
okay, don't make those changes yet. We know those are can be done, but let's move on to the estimating agent now.
Yeah,
We
yeah,
can
sure.
make those changes later, right?
Hmm.
At least the concept works on the mapping and the pipeline routing.
Okay.
So let's do the estimating part. And the way it's estimating is gonna work is just like the way I did it for Peter. You know, search the internet for the benchmark and then uh, use the benchmark numbers to come up with a estimate, right?
Yes, Tito Noel, but what I will do is I pull up some information in the internet and pull it on our LLM.
What do you mean by that?
As you mentioned before, Tito Noel, Enbridge and other company has already data for their benchmarking. So
Right.
like the finished project. So I'm going to collect it and put it on our application. So we can do estimate on inside of our application without relying data
Correct.
from the internet.
Correct. Sorry. Live data from their historical costs, from Enbridge historical costs.
Yes, Tito Mel. That's why I've been asking data from you, but since as you mentioned, you haven't data yet, so we're going to pull up data from the internet and then get that data
Right.
to our platform.
Yeah, we could make up uh, fictitious data.
Actually, I came up two datas from the files that you sent, but
Okay.
I will do review it again, Tito Noel. So this is the TIC 33120 sec 1.
Okay.
Um,
Yeah,
this is
that
based to SMX, I guess.
yeah, the SWX.
Yeah, yeah.
The okay. Oh, no, 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 no. Sorry. Use the SWX because it's in Canada. These two projects that you're showing here are in California, and as you can see, they're within the city, right?
Mm-hmm.
So they're not compatible. SWX that you have is more compatible because they're a little more complicated, a little more complex because it's for a 42-inch pipeline and it's going to the city and there's a lot of river crossings and hydrotest or hydrotest HDD. So use the SWX for your sample benchmark. I know it's
Mm-hmm.
not close, but they're both in Canada. These two are uh, These two are in California, and as you can see, they're in cities.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Uh, okay. Proceed with the. I don't know. Do you want to do the? Do you have to do the benchmark first before you could do the estimate?
No, no, I'll do this first for now in the home. So once we got the output here, it should be routed to the benchmarking. So I'll start for this for now.
Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay.
So
So
yeah, that's it for me. Dito naman.
that's it for you. How about you, Drake? How are things? Drake, you there?
Good, you bro? Just got home.
Oh, you drop off your wife?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so she's still hobbling around.
Yeah, bro. She sure is. She's
Well,
Gimpathon.
oh yeah.
You know what I
Well,
mean, Hotline Bling?
and when is the MRI results coming?
Today should be today.
Okay.
She should have her results today. You know what I mean? Just
Yeah.
pray,
So
brother. Just pray. Nothing's wrong.
right.
Amen.
Do
Yeah,
okay.
bro.
Uh,
What are you doing? What
so
happened?
you're
Oh, you
gonna
got your phone. Okay, Papa. What are you doing over here?
talking to your dog, Drake?
Yeah, my dog.
Mm,
Well, usually he's jumping on me, right?
yeah.
I just got in. I was like, what is he doing? I have my sunglasses on. Coming, I
Oh,
forgot my headset, so I want to put my headset on.
I
You
see.
know?
Well, we'll just have to make sure that
Yeah,
you make sure that she doesn't do any housework, and you have to do the cooking and all that, right?
I made fajitas yesterday.
What?
I made fajitas.
Oh yeah,
Remember?
yeah.
Yeah. Oh yeah, bro. Yeah. I got
You
up
like you
and
like you like Mexican food more, right?
I
You're
like
more.
Asian foods.
Well, I hear you make fajitas. Mind you, I've seen you do barbecue and
Oh,
things.
barbecue,
I'm not
Dre.
a huh?
You do barbecue?
Yeah.
Do
Heck
you do
yeah.
a I was looking at the menu for what's the name of that barbecue place? They had the pork ribs. I like beef ribs better than the pork ribs. You know
You're
the
crazy. You're
why?
crazy. Cause
Why?
a baby back pork rib is so much tender and juicier.
I
and
mean,
a
I
and
like.
a and a beef rib is like it's tough. I mean, a beef rib's okay, but I prefer a pork rib,
Oh, is
like
that
a
right?
pork chop. Oh yeah, bro. It to me, you can't beef. You got to make beef like a steak, like a sada. It's not a pork kind of meat. You know what I'm trying to say? Like you make adobo pork.
Oh
Filipinos
yeah,
do a
yeah,
lot with pork. Filipinos don't. They use pork a lot, right?
yeah. Well,
So,
it's cheaper.
so
That's why.
well, it's okay, but it's just to me the flavor from a pork chop or a rib from a beef rib from a cow and a rib from a pig is just so much different. You know what I'm trying to say?
Yeah, but you could make the beef very tender as well. What's
And
the
then
beefers? You could make them very tender, and I like it. I mean, of course, I like both